Good morning, students. Today we will study about the fiber, the bast fiber or soft fiber. It produced from a family belongs to Linaceae. The flax is obtained from Linum utissimum. In Hindi it is known as alsi, in English it is known as flax. Historical respect from the flax was one of the oldest plant being cultivated by the ancient Egyptian, as is evidence from the wall painting of the Egyptian tomb. It seems to have a multiple origin, since it has been reported from the lake dweller of the Switzerland, Canary Isle to Palestine, and the Caucasus, as well as from India. Morphological character: the flax yielding plant Linum usticum is an annual herb reaching a height of 1 to 4 feet and bearing small leaves and white or blue flower. The flax fiber are obtained from the phloem and are constituted of rough, stringy strands measuring 1 to 3 feet in length. The strands are formed by aggregation of numerous long pointed cells having thick cellulose wall. Fibers are renowned for their strength, fineness, and durability. Climate and the soil. Flax is a temperate crop and grown well best in the cool and moist climate requiring cloudy weather during the growing period. Flax grow well best in the soil that is rich in moisture and organic matter. Cultivation: the flax plant is usually cultivated in a low area but may be cultivated as a seed crop at a level of 500 feet. Sowing is usually done between August and November, and the crop is harvested between the January and April. In India, linseed is cultivated mainly in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. About 90% of the total area under the linseed cultivation is accounted by by Bihar, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. The flax industry. The flax industry is a costly enterprise, since extraction of fiber from the flax plant is time consuming and laborious. The various steps involved are harvesting. The crop is harvested when the stalk turns yellow and the lower leaves start drooping. The stalk are manually pulled out from the soil. Rippling: the harvested stalk are sun dried and de-seeded by running a comb through the capsule. Renting: the deseeded stalk are bundled and rotted by submerging them under water for 2 to 4 weeks. The calcium pectate, which consists the middle lamella, dissolve in water, thereby freezing the fiber. The process is supported by the bacterial action. Scorching: the freed fibers are now separated from the remaining tissue, cleaned and dried. The soft, long pericycle fiber are thus selected for the spinning the linen thread. Characteristics of flax fiber: the flax fiber is characterized by their length of the fiber range from 25 to 30 millimeter and appear spherical in cross section with a thick wall, pointed end, and a narrow irregular lumen. Flax fibers are stronger and more durable than the cotton and are highly valued for their strength and durability. The cloth prepared from the flax fiber is known as the linen and has a luster, flexibility, and high absorbency. Flax fibers can take anti-crease and other special finish, but does not react to the dye readily. It is resistant to high temperature, as such as it is colder than the cotton and prefer in the hot countries. Flax production. The chief flax productions are the northern European country. Belgium has the distinction of producing the finest flax. Soviet Union lead all the other countries in flax production. Flax are important for manufacturing of superior linen cloth thread, carpet, ducks, etc. The finest printing paper, the strongest twins, and the best fishing lines are prepared from the flax fiber. The harsh and brittle fiber of the stalk are used for the cigarette paper. Mm, and the finest and the best quality handkerchief, beds, and table linens are prepared from the flax. Thank you.